Hello everyone, welcome to John Mac Classroom. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for function and graph. Given the situation where we have the function hx is equals to 3x over x minus 3. Defining the situation where we have h squared is equals to h rho h. Determine the function h square x and then deduce the inverse of hx. Next, evaluate the h to the power of 13 bracket with the value x is equals to 9. Kindly follow the definition below. So kindly follow the definition. Here we have the h square actually is h rho h. Next we have h cube. So it is h rho with the h square. If given the situation h to the power 4 where we have h rho with the function h cube. So here we have the definition. Next, move on with the situation. Given the situation h square is equals to h rho h. Next, kindly substitute the function h into the function h. So where we have h bracket 3x over x minus 3 into the function h. So kindly substitute. So here we have 3 bracket the function h, which is 3x over x minus 3 over, we can see that we have the x, which is the function 3x over x minus 3 minus with the 3. Next, what we have to do is to simplify the situation. So in here, we can see that h square is equals to, if we expand the situation and we will have 9x over x minus 3 over, equate the denominator, so 3x minus 3 multiply with x minus 3 over x minus 3. Next, h square x is equals to 9x over x minus 3. So focus on this part, we have division. So do remember, divide, if we flip the situation, it becomes multiply. So we have to flip this part. So x minus 3 over, kindly expand, we have 3x minus 3x plus with the 9. Kindly simplify the situation. So h square x is equals to, we have a common terms, so we can simplify this part, become 1. Next, 3x minus 3x, we will have 0 plus with the 9. So 9x divide with the 9 and we will have x. So that is the situation for h square. So next what we have to do is to find the h cube. So in here, the h cube x is equals to h rho with the h square. So that is a situation. So kindly substitute the h square x, which is the x, into the function h. So as we can see, we have the h, which is 3, and then substitute the h square. So which is the x over, we have x. So in here the x again is the x minus with the 3. So here we have the conclusion, h cube is equals to 3x over x minus 3. Next what we have to do is to find the h to the power of 4. So if we substitute the h to the power 4, so in here we have to substitute the h to the power of 3 into the function h. So repeat the situation. H to the power 4x is equals to, in here we will have 3 bracket, the x would be the h cube. So in here the h cube is 3x over x minus 3 over with the x. So again 3x over x minus 3 minus with the 3. So simplify the situation. What we can do is 9x over x minus 3 over with, equate the denominator, so 3x minus 3 bracket x minus 3 over x minus 3. Kindly simplify the situation. So h to the power 4 x is equals to, we have 9x over x minus 3 multiply. Do remember, flip this part. So we will have x minus 3 over, we have 3x minus 3x plus with the 9. So finally, h to the power 4 is equals to, we can simplify this part because we have a common factor. So finally, we can simplify this part, become 0. So 9x over 9, we will have x. So based on this situation, we can have x to the power 4 x is equals to x. So from here, we can deduce the situation, meaning that h to the power 4, or we can say h square x, based on the situation, deduce the inverse of hx. So from here, h square x is equals to x. So meaning that h inverse is the h. So h inverse of x actually is the hx. So h inverse of x is equals to 3x over x minus 3. Next, evaluate the h to the power of 13 bracket. We have the value x, which is the 9. So from here, we can see that we have the situation. So in here, we have h square x, which is the x. Next, h to the power of 3x, we have x 3x over x minus 3. H to the power 4, we can have x. H to the power 5, the answer will be 3x over x minus 3. And from here, we can deduce the situation. If it's the even number, we will have the x. And for the odd number, we will have the function of hx. So in here, h13x will be equals to, refers to the situation, 13 is the odd number, so h to the power of 13 of x will be equals to 3x over x minus 3. So substitute the value 9, h to the power of 13, we have the value 9 is equals to 3 multiplied with the 9 over 9 minus with the 3. So we have 27 over 6. If we simplify the situation, and we will have h to the power of 13 with the value 9 is equals to 9 over 2, or we can say 4.5. So here we are, and thanks for watching.